Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make whipped cream stay firm longer. First, ensure your heavy cream, bowl, and whisk are thoroughly chilled. This cold environment is crucial for achieving maximum volume and stability. We'll also discuss the best type of sugar to use and a simple flavor enhancer to make your whipped cream delicious and long-lasting. Once your ingredients are ready, pour the cold, heavy cream into your chilled bowl. Begin whipping on medium-high speed. As the cream starts to thicken and soft peaks form, gradually incorporate your powdered sugar and vanilla. Continue whipping until you reach firm peaks, where the cream holds its shape beautifully. Be careful not to overwhip, or it will become lumpy. To truly make your whipped cream last, consider adding a stabilizer. Unflavored gelatin is a popular choice. Dissolve a small amount in warm water before adding it to your cream. Alternatively, a little cornstarch or meringue powder can also help. These agents prevent the cream from weeping and collapsing, ensuring it stays firm for hours, even days, in the refrigerator. Proper storage is key to maintaining firmness. Transfer your stabilized whipped cream to an airtight container and refrigerate it immediately. It will remain firm and delicious for up to 2 to 3 days. If it loses a little stiffness, a quick whisk for about 30 seconds can bring it back to life. Enjoy your perfectly firm whipped cream.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.